Hello friends, my name is Latifa Banu. I am from Sedu Institution of Technology in Karyapati from IT department. Now we are going to see about Steam Control Transmission Protocol SCTP. This document is prepared myself. So SCTP, before going SCTP, we can go about OSI. OSI means Open System Interconnection Model. Data from one source to another source is sent through OSI model. For example, video from one computer to another computer. Text from one phone to another phone is sent through OSI model. In OSI layer, there are 7 layers. In OSI model, there are 7 layers: applications, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. In a Steam Control Transmission Protocol is in transporter layer. Transport layer ensures complete and reliable delivery of data package. Transport layer contains a transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol along with Steam Control Transmission Protocol. Protocol means set of rules. Protocol is for proper communication. From a transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol is the best functions are taken in SCTP. SCTP is message oriented protocol. This enhance performance and reliability. Now let us see about transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol. UDP is message oriented protocol. It is used datagram and sends over the network. Conserve message boundaries. Sender does not know the density of data, may be loss or duplicate, can't control the flow and congestion. TCP is byte oriented protocol. Receive as streams of bytes and sends as a package. This has flow control and congestion controls. Now let us see about SCTP. As I said before, the best function from TCP and UDP is incorporated in SCTP. Prevents the message boundaries, preserves the message boundaries, detects lost data, duplicate data and out of order data. This has flow control and congestion controls. Now we are going to see about SCTP service. There are 3 services: process to process communication, multi-streams and multi-homing. Process to process communication means data from one source, that is client, to another source, that is server, through ports. These SCTP have TCP ports plus extra additional ports. Second, we are going to see about multiple stream. This is called as association stream. Now I am showing one diagram. This is for multiple stream. Client and server. Client has there are 2 types, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 can connect 3 or 4. 2 can connect 3 or 4. If one connection is blocked, others can be used. If one fails, other will process. For example, in highways, if one road is blocked, people will use another road. Last, we are going to see about multi-homing. Multi-homing has multiple IP address. Basically, one IP address for client, other IP address for server, but this can have a multiple IP address. These are the types of multi-homing: full duplex communication, connection oriented service and reliable service. First we can see full duplex communication. Is an example of telephone call where both parties can communicate at the same time. Then connection oriented service, actually a data transfer method among 2 devices or computer in a different network that is designed and developed after telephone system. Whenever a network implements this service, it sends or transfers data or message from sender to source to receive or destination in correct order and manner. Reable service is an example of considered a calculator that has no memory and service and receives all terms and operation to perform at once. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you all get know about SCTP. Stay safe and stay home. Everything will get better soon. Done by A. Latifa Banu.